In this session, we will perform the peg transfer while holding ArtiSential with both hands simultaneously. First, we will use right hand to pull up the block from the hole of the block of the bottom module. After having transferred, and grab the PED to the left hand in the air, transfer and insert it into the hole which is the symmetry point of the front module. Lift the peg with right hand by classifying the movement into stages, as we did in the previous video. Transfer and grab the peg held with right hand to left hand in the air. Transfer and insert into the hole, which is the point of symmetry of the front module. Transfer all the remaining pegs in the same way. Once you've transferred all 5 pegs, use your right hand to pull and lift the block of the front module out of the hole first. Transfer and grab the peg to left hand in the air, and insert it into the hole, which is the point of symmetry of the bottom module. As before, take caution in grabbing the peg by having space, in order to transfer the peg to the instrument of the other hand, when you grab the peg for the first time. This concludes the training for the two-handed peg transfer course.